Intervals Recess Downlights by SONNEMAN A Way of Light is a state-of-the-art, high-performance, specification-grade lighting system featuring unparalleled flexibility and modularity. In this video, we're going to walk through the installation and servicing of the 1-inch Intervals Recess Downlight. Designed and built for a modern approach to precise illumination from a minimal presence, the 1-inch downlight delivers powerful performance in a compact size. To install an Intervals Recess 1-inch downlight, cut the properly sized hole in the ceiling for your fixture and pull through the wires from the output of a remotely installed 24-volt Class 2 power supply. Connect the low-voltage wiring to the input of the fixture, shown here using our available luminaire whip with convenient plug connection. Push the wiring and driver back through the ceiling. To ensure a good fit in thinner ceilings or roughly cut holes, gently flex the spring wings downward and install the fixture by inserting the tips of the spring wings into the hole and pushing the fixture up until flush with the ceiling. For replacement or servicing, pull straight down on the fixture and remove it from the ceiling. To change the optic, unscrew the light engine from the trim. Being careful not to touch or damage the LED, gently remove the existing optic held by adhesive tape. Remove the backing from the new optic and carefully align the locating pins on the optic with the holes on the light engine. Then, press the optic gently down. For the narrow spot, install the color mixing film into the trim. Then, reinstall the trim by screwing it back on to the light engine.